Hello everyone. I hope you are staying safe and healthy with your dear ones. This is Aisha Amir and today I have come up with a new project. A simple idea, but I'm pretty hopeful that it'll open new doors for us in makeup art. When you think of recycling, what comes to your mind? Plastic bags being used to make flowers, or cups and bottles to make pencil holders? All these ideas are super great, but what do you think about old makeup palettes and boxes and the material inside it? Well, this is where my job comes in. I upcycled expired cosmetics to make eco friendly artworks. You can simply Google my name to know more. In this video, we'll see a beauty bouquet. Yes, a bouquet gift made by beauty products, from cosmetics to accessories, all beauty items in a combo. So first, I collected some materials and this is the first time I used a plastic shopping bag as a base for painting. Matte liquid lipsticks are used in the painting process. This shiny surface gave me a tough time, but I learned a lot while making these circles. After leaving it to dry, I took an old blush box, removed the blush, cleaned it with a perfume tissue, and used it to put earrings. An old box is used to suspend a silver chain and a lipstick cap to act as a ring holder. I thought this could be something different to present as a gift. I put all these things together in the bottle and wrapped our painted bag around it. Tie a ribbon, add some fancy touches as you like, and your bouquet is ready. This is simple, but you can of course add a lot of unique artistic looks to your beauty bouquet using upcycled materials. To share your works with me, you can tag me on Instagram at the rate of artiantific_official. I would like to see how your bouquet looks like. Thank you so much. I wish you all a happy and prosperous life ahead. Stay safe and care for the environment.